Guys, it's like a blizzard. Look at there. You see that snow coming down? It's like a blizzard. I can't show you my street sign for this video because you'll know where I live and that's terrible. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at all that snow. You saw half of the sign. Yeah, you can't move it. Saw half of it, but not all. Yeah. Look at that, bro. Look at it. Yeah, look at Maxie. Look at that snow. That's like a blizzard. Oh my gosh, we're getting so much snow. We are getting so much freaking snow. Bro. What the? It sounds like rain. Ew, it's getting in the house. Hey, it's how much snow bleeding. Wow. Wow, look at the rich after this. What the? Rich? Frick that, bruh. Frick it. Look at that guy. He's riding in the snow. Yeah, he doesn't even have a hat on. Yeah. Oh, it's like a blizzard out there right now. It's a blizzard out there. It's a blizzard. Oh my god. It's like a blizzard. It's really dad. This is insane. It's insane. It's like insane, bruh. Can't stand it. I'm really like dying from this. Look at that. It's like a blizzard. It's like a blizzard. Is it like a blizzard, Dad? Guys, I'm going to have to end it here. I might go for a part 2 if you like this video. I'll make a part 2. Look at it, bruh. Look at it. Come on. Do you want to hear it? You want to hear it. Cannot believe it's snowing that hard. Oh, I have beautiful blue eyes. R.I.P. Another pizza.